you guys. So I'm about to cook some ramen because my mom not feeding us
At all.
and so we gotta cook for ourselves. We gotta fend for ourselves while she eating soup. I'm about to eat some ramen. I'm gonna show you guys how to cook ramen since it's kind of hard. It's kind of hard for some people.
It's like the Hunger Games in this house. You spend the night, you better bring something to eat.
You better.
You're just starving out here, man. Niggas' refrigerator's looking like the black hole all month.
So I put some water. You can choose any water you want.
Ladies and gentlemen,
You bitch
check out
ass.
nigga
You
arms
going
up.
bad.
You see the arms up. Nigga choke a nigga out though.
No bueno. Okay, so we're gonna make sure it's all hot and soggy so it can end up being good.
Niggas been hungry since like 10 this morning.
Mom, I'm not recording your business.
We talking to each other. How would you eat your cream of wheat? Cream of wheat and leave it
Drop.
alone, dude.
Get pretty drop. I'm gonna touch my brother's booty and watch his reaction. He's probably gonna throw the water on me or slap me or push me or punch me or something. Watch. Ah! Ah!
You gonna do it again?
No!
Say sorry, smooth wet.
Sorry, so what?
Yeah, nigga. Or he's warming stuff up.
I'm not warming stuff up. I'm making some ramen noodles, which is very difficult to make if you were born in Australia.
Niggas in Australia make way better food than you do. Ooh, the alarm has to go off soon.
Beep, 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 beep. He's making some quesadillas because he's Mexican. See?
I turned on the fire and everything. I swear it was
Oh.
low, Mom. Boy, don't wave this. You're not doing nothing.
I'm cooking.
Dude, you're freaking on.
Mom, look at my
that's
food's gonna be
disrespectful,
ready.
dude.
I asked you though.
You, that doesn't mean nothing. I didn't say nothing. Gosh. Niggas is big, man.
Don't break the food.
Noodles not done.
So,
Fend for ourselves. Then you get a fork. And then let's get a close up on this.
are we going to church tomorrow?
Hallelujah!
You said no.
No.
Man, we gotta find our way to church too.
Gotta fend for our religious freedom. So there's that. I'm not done yet. Put the shrimp flavor in.
You need some hot sauce.
I know, where's the hot sauce? Mom, if there's no hot sauce in here, I can't eat the noodles. I'm sorry.
You put like a little garlic salt.
That's smart. That's smart.
Just a little bit though.
Mm-hmm. Poquito.
Don't touch it. Don't touch it. Don't touch it.
We don't have any hot sauce, and that's sad.
Shh. Then take a bite of our noodles. She gonna get mad.
Isaac! So I guess I'm done, guys, because there's no hot sauce. So that's how I make ramen noodles. Mom, I'm done.